Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Authentic Flavors. Want to know how to make some flavorful, juicy, authentic Jamaican jerk pork? Stay tuned and watch this. Here I have 4 pounds of pork. First, I'm going to wash the pork using some lime juice. I'll be using 2 limes to wash the pork. And always remember this, guys. Whenever you're gonna prepare any meat, make sure you wash your meat, okay? That's the best way to go. Now I'm gonna wash the pork with some cold water. I'm gonna let this sit in the lime water for at least 2 minutes. Now it has been 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna rinse the meat. Now it's time to season the pork. I'm going to use some all-purpose. Use some authentic Jamaican jerk pork, guys. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of Jamaican jerk rub. I'm going to just rub in this, massaging all the seasoned pork, just like so. Get the seasoning in every crevice and corner of this pork. Now I'm gonna add my homemade jerk marinade. And guys, if you check out the channel, you will see how I make my homemade jerk marinade. Just gonna rub this in. Guys, I'm gonna let this pork marinate for 24 hours in the refrigerator. So stay tuned, guys, and when this is done, we will see you on the grill. I'm gonna give it some authentic Jamaican jerk pork. And here's my pork that has been marinating in my jerk marinade for 24 hours. First, I'm gonna scald the pork before I put it on the grill. Stay tuned to see the whole process. Now to a pot, I'm gonna add a bowl of water. With some pimento leaves. And also 2 tablespoons of pimento berries. Now I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of Jamaican jerk rub. Then, when this comes to a boil, I'll add my pork. Stay tuned for the end result. Now it's time to add the pork to the pot. I'm going to let this scald for 15 minutes. Then we'll put it on the grill. Now I'm going to put my pork on the grill. And guys, the same water that I used to boil the pork, that is the same water I'm going to use to pour on the pork to keep it moist, juicy, and flavorful. Here's the pork water. Now it's time to check on the pork. And guys, I'm going to use the water that the pork's scalding to keep the pork moist, just like so. With some authentic Jamaican jerk pork. Keep it all moist, juicy. Now I'll check back on this pork. 5 minutes time. In the meantime, I'm going to make some festival to serve with my pork. After 5 minutes, I'm going to check on the pork once again. It's time to turn the pork. Oh yeah. Alright, these look beautiful. Yeah, man. Yo, check out this pork, guys. Authentic Jamaican jerk pork. Ooh, this looks so delicious. I'm going to check on my pork once again. This pork can flip now. This is the final flip, guys. Final flip. Yeah, man. Yeah. I'm gonna put some more water in them again. In 5 minutes time, I'm taking the pork off the grill. Stay tuned. I'm gonna check in on our pork again. Oh yeah. Guys, the pork is done. It's time to take the pork off the grill. Oh yeah. Yeah, man. In total, the pork took 40 minutes to finish. 40 minutes, guys. Yeah, but we got ourselves some nice, juicy, delicious pork right here. Oh yeah. Here it is, guys. Here it is. Authentic Jamaican jerk pork. See you when it's time to plate them. And here it is, guys. Authentic Jamaican jerk pork. And also, I forgot to mention, I add some of my homemade barbecue sauce on the pork just to turn it up a notch. And here it is, guys, the finished product. Authentic Jamaican jerk pork with side of festival. Look good, huh? Subscribe for more on authentic flavors.